Find the exact length of the curve. So this is an arc length problem. We have x equals 1 plus 3t squared. Y is 4 plus 2t cubed. T between 0 and 1. So remember, L is the integral from 0 to 1 of the norm of r dash of t dt. Now r here is the vector 1 plus 3t squared, 4 plus 2t cubed. So differentiating this, r dash of t is 6t, and then we have 6t squared. So taking the norm of this vector, so we can write this 6t root 1 plus t squared. Okay, coming back to our integral, we have the integral from 0 to 1 of 6t square root of 1 plus t squared dt. Now that integral looks a little bit hard, but I don't think it is really as hard as it looks. So let's let u be the inside function. It looks like it comes out with substitution here. So this is L. Okay, now we'll say let u be equal to 1 plus t squared. Let's take du on dt. And so we get 2t for this. So this tells us how to replace dt here. So dt can get replaced by du over 2t in a substitution. So let's go ahead and do that then. L is equal to the integral of 6t. Now we have inside here, that's u to the power of a half is our square root of 1 plus t squared. So u to the power of a half. Then we're replacing dt with du over 2t by substitution. Okay, but as soon as we replace the dt with a u or a du there, we need to replace these bounds of integration in terms of u. So note u of 0 is 1 plus 0 squared, which is 1. So the 0 was down here, so we have a 1 there. And then u of 1 is 1 plus 1 squared, which is 2. So we have a 2 up here. Okay, so we can see that we can cancel the t's. Let's pull out the 6 over 2, which is 3. And so we just have 3 times the integral of u to the power of a half du from 1 to 2. Okay, so now this is a power, so we can add 1 to the exponent since the power is not minus 1. 3 times, we have u to the power of 3 over 2, adding 1 to the exponent. Now dividing by 3 over 2, that new exponent is the same as to multiply by 2/3. This is from 1 to 2. Okay, so now we sub in the 2. So this here we can write as 2 root 2. Let's cancel the 3's. So we have 2 outside of 2 root 2 minus 1. And so this we can express as 4 root 2 minus 2.